Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today, something unexpected happened. Never in a million years I'd ever see a freaking bird in my chimney. Yeah.
And our friend said,
don't believe this. And
our friend said to feed them.
I can't believe
cat
this.
food,
And
so
look, he's actually alive.
he's almost about to die. And the mom's like treating them very bad.
Yeah,
That's
he's
why we're
still
trying to
alive.
feed it. Something like that.
Still alive.
Come on, feed it, just feed it. Okay, that
He-
one's about to die.
I don't know.
Did that one die?
What?
That one died.
Not. Let me see if he's dead here. No, he's still alive. He's still
Oh my
alive.
God, we literally need to feed this baby bird because the mom's like that, taking it very well. Come on, just eat it. Please eat it.
She wants to eat it.
Three.
She wants to eat it. She wants to eat it. She's even trying to. Like, let me put it up a little bit more.
Here you go, baby. Just feed it, baby. Baby, feed it. Eat it, baby. Baby, please eat it. I'm trying to help you here.
My sister's literally about to cry.
No, I'm not crying. I'm just trying actually to feed it.
Oh, crap.
Please eat it. I'm trying to let you eat, but I can't. Come on, guys. If you
So how about you hold the camera? I'll feed him.
okay.
So just keep it on the bird.
Come on, baby bird. We really need you to eat. We need you to eat this. You won't die. You won't die if you won't eat it. Come on. Just eat it. Oh my God, Brock, it's trying to eat it.
I know, it's been trying to eat it.
Come on, please, bird. Brock, let's just feed it by hand. We need to feed it by hand.
It's literally trying to eat it.
I know, I'm trying. I want to feed it by hand, but I'm scared.
Why?
I'm gonna just feed it by hand. Feed it by hand. By hand. By hand.
Open up your mouth, buddy.
Open up. Open up. Open up, guys. Open up, please. Guys, please cross fingers that he will eat this. He ate it! He got it! He got it! Guys.
He's eating it, I think. Yeah, he's alive still.
Guys.
Bye, guys. Like and subscribe
No,
for him
no.
to
Guys.
survive.
Guys, look, that one's like literally dead over there. The mom's not treating it very well. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.